They have a belief on God, but the existence of God is different than the Muslims. They have made their gods with their own hands. But according to the faith of the Muslims, God has created us. God is our creator. Allah has created this universe. Even every living creature or non-living creature, whatever is in this universe, the creator is creator of this universe, and whatever is in this universe, only one, that is Allah Almighty. But in polytheism, the concept is different. The people have created their gods himself, and they are worshipping that gods, and they are demanding that gods, their lucks, their fates, their futures, their health, wealth, and everything. But according to the logic and according to the natural rules and regulations, the thing, the God that we have made with our own hands, and we are prostrating ourselves, we are bowing, we are worshipping that God that we have made. How it's possible? The thing that you have made with your own hands then can be your master, your creator. Even you know betterly that you have made them, you have created them. This is unlogical concept. But Alhamdulillah, Islam is a religion that have the strong belief on monotheism, that there is only one Allah Almighty that is worshipable. No another God is able to worship. Only one creator of this universe. There is no another creator of this universe except Allah Almighty.